Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look again on the euro currency. Well, despite the speech of the Ben Bernanke on yesterday to the Congress, it's not much changes have happened here. And in fact, if you have read the statement, what the Bernanke have said to the Congress, in fact, he said nothing particularly new, because all that he said is just that Fed Reserve will follow the accommodative policy in terms of the quantitative easing program, and this depending on what economy will show, what data it will show concerning the unemployment, concerning the growth, retail sales, inflation, they will adjust the quantitative easing program. So they could start to contract it earlier if market and if economy will show the improvement faster than expected, or it could postpone the contraction of this program if it will be necessary, because now they see the risks from the ending of the tax benefit program. Now they see the problems from the, not quite the problems, but they think that impact will be greater than it was assumed previously from the ending of the tax benefit program and from the budget cutting, the sequestering of the budget spending. And that's why they was very cautious about, very careful, spoke about when the quantitative easing program will be contracted, how it will be contracted, will it be contracted in current year or not. That's why in general it could be we could say that nothing particularly new we have seen in the yesterday's speech. And by the market reaction, you just can see by the how market reacts on this action, on the speech. You can see that in fact that was really mostly flat reaction. And from that point of view, let's take a look on the euro currency. From the technical point of view, I said that you can see after the significant move in one or other direction, very often market stands in this range for a significant period of time. Honestly speaking, this range, in fact, starting right here on the weekly time frame, that is the single candle. But on the daily time frame, we have these two candles, and that is in fact the candle that now holds the price action of the whole week. And I said that the major direction probably will be determined when the market will exit from either to the upside or to the downside. But here there are two moments to discuss. First of all, in fact, all moments that we have talked about previously are in place, still in place. First of all, take a look how market behaves with the monthly pivot point. That's very significant. That's July monthly pivot point, testing first, bounce to the downside. Testing second, again returning right below it. So market is not sure with this placing the bullish sentiment within the month. That's a bit worrying sign. Second, market still stands around the resistance. That prevents the further action to the upside. This really overbought fib resistance. Market has no significant opportunity now to continue move to the upside. Well, and here we have, as we said yesterday, the bearish stop grabber on the weekly time frame, and we said that as market has showed some slight move to the upside, that has given us nice opportunity to enter short due to the risk reward, because now this position to enter short is much better than in the beginning of the week right here. So here we at least could take some reasonable risk with possessing ourselves on the short side of the market. And now even more. So if market will close somewhere around this area or slightly below this level tomorrow, we will get another weekly stop grabber pattern. So take a look at the weekly time frame, you will see it. That will be some sort of the high wave pattern, also some that indicates the market indecision and will be inside week for the previous one. So as you can see, price action really stands flat in the current week. That's why it's very difficult to take some position in current environment and to trying to make some action in one or other direction. But if we'll take a look at the hourly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I do not see anything interesting. One thing that maybe will be important for us is the trend has shifted to the bearish side on the 4-hour time frame. But here I do not see any significant patterns. So here we see trend has shifted to the downside, but nothing more. In fact, no patterns. Well, it's difficult to talk about the potential development because theoretically the pattern that we have discussed is the potential butterfly here also is still valid. That is possible. Well, I do not see any other possibilities for other patterns. Double top, it hardly will be double top. It's very not typical action for double top pattern. What else here we could get? Well, I do not see anything more than just probably only the butterfly if market will start move to the upside. And from that perspective, we should be very careful to the hourly chart, as we said yesterday. And that's our consolidation on the hourly time frame. And we said, if you will take a look, if you will take the short position with the bearish stop grabber on the weekly time frame placing above this high, take care about the breakout of this bottom. We need, if you're bearish, you need to see that market has passed through it and continue move to the downside. Now this hasn't happened yet, so you could protect your position with the stop. So you could protect your position with the break-even stop and just wait what will happen. Because if market will find the support here and turn to the upside again, that will be the warning sign for the bearish development, that it will tell us that probably market could really continue with the butterfly pattern. Something of that sort, at least some upward continuation will follow. Well, that's why that is very significant level for us now. If market will break these lows, yesterday's lows, and will turn to the downside, well, this will be it will tell you that it's all okay, it's all normal. This situation develops naturally, and there's no objects for just disturbing, and you could be relatively calm with the opposition to the downside, because from the bearish point of view, that moment is what we would like to see. So if you have entered short, we need to see the action to the downside, and the breakout of these lows and downward continuation is what we would like to see when we hold the short position. So what else? In fact, that's all that we could say here about the current situation, because you can see market current price action is very poor in terms of the patterns. So we do not see, and we do not have anything here in fact to discuss. Not very interesting. I think even that the Japanese yen now is more interesting to trade. Well, but in general, currently market really stands on decision across the board. Very major markets that we usually discuss now stands in some range, some indecision action. Maybe on the next week we will get some more patterns, more signals that we could trade more actively, as it was on the previous week. Previous week was really very interesting. Well, but still, if you have taken a short position according with the weekly pattern, be patient, since weekly time frame is really a big picture, and it's need time when for the pattern starts to work that you see on the weekly time frame. So be patient, but control your risk, take care about your position, and manage it, because you have to control the major points just to be sure that the situation develops as it's suggested. Well, that's all for today. Let's see how it will turn, and let's see what will happen tomorrow on Friday.